All right, this is the beginning again of doing the Amazon sellers in Europe. I still have 0 sales, and I'm going to walk through a series of steps to start a product. But the first thing is the ASIN or the UPC code. Now, I'm going to make a few videos, each one kind of going through the process. This first one is going to be in the series, and of the ASIN UPC code, it's one of the basic things. It's kind of boring, but I think it's necessary to know because you got to know this number in order to apply it to the store, to track, and it's just basic vocabulary that I feel like you should know if you're starting the store. I'm going to try to make it quick and easy and simple so you can understand it. I'll have some resources in the comments, and then the very next video or the next video in the series will actually start with creating the product and going through on screen so you can just follow along. First on the list is GTIN, the Global Trade Item Number. In America, it's UPC, but in Europe, in my case, it's EAN. The EAN is what I'll use, and it's the European article number. Again, depending what region you're in, investigate that. Now, do you need it? Yes and no. For my products, private label or handmade, you don't, but I recommend it. And the reason to say that it's yes and no on needing it is because for the private label and the handmade products, you don't need it. You can still create the product, but eventually it can cause issues if you don't have it. And if you're going to be selling in stores or in other markets, it's going to be your identifier for your product. So the ASIN, which I'll go over later, has that for Amazon, but if you want to sell on Etsy or, I don't know, Walmart or any store, you'd want to go ahead and start the barcode essentially that you see and have that on there for you and your tracking purposes. But don't let it be a reason to stop you from creating the product and slowing your progress or procrastinating on creating your store. So create the product if it's handmade. If you're using or selling another product, well, you're going to have one already anyway, but don't let it stop you. These are just the bullets for reasoning why I'm getting the EAN, and I'll have a little PDF in the description, so I'll have all this information for you. Each barcode does come with a cost, and depending which country you're registering, just go to the gs1.org. It'll be down in the description, and get it from that site so you don't have to pay extra or anything different. All right, the ASIN is Amazon's identifier. You don't buy this. Amazon creates it when you create a product. Every product has one. You can find products and search them with it right in Amazon. And when you're creating a product, you'll use that code to match it if you're building a product on another product. So the SKU is a way to track your own products. If you have a lot of products, it's going to be very important. If you only have 1 or 2, not so much, but it's some kind of identifier that you use in your logbooks. That's it. That's all you have to know. A few keywords. You're not going to learn everything right now in the beginning. That's fine. You'll pick it up as you go. It's pretty intuitive once you kind of mess with it a little bit. So the next video in the series will actually build the product and have the product ID and create everything that you need to have your first product on your Amazon store. Thank you for watching. You'll have the information from this in the description, all the links. And if you have any questions, put in the comments. I'll try to help you out.